What's up, guys and girls? We're about to go hit up, I think, a tracker trail. Depends on where this boy is going. So we'll see about that, I guess. Yeah. I don't know if this is gonna be part of a video or not. Well, no, I mean, if it's gonna be fucking freaking, my bad. If it's gonna be part of, like, in the middle of a clip, or if it's gonna be its own. So, in case, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, yeah. I hope you're having a absolutely fantastic day. It just got better because you're watching my channel, but you know, that's the thing.
Lately I've been taking off like an astronaut. Season when I walk, yeah, I do that a lot. Designer on me, I be bleeding to my socks. Always posing for the cam, I'm the one to watch. Pull up in that new whip, drop top.
This trail is gonna be sketchy as fuck. It's gonna get like dark. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, that was so much fun. I may or may have not just bottomed out a little right there. Just gonna let him shred. I know I'm going slow, but it's the end of the day, and I don't want to fucking get hurt. How about that, you little bitch? Trust me, it looks a lot faster in person, and I'd like to see you keep up. I fucked up that berm. This was definitely not the right way. But you know what? It's okay anyway. Alright, problem solved. Yeah. I just don't want to have him behind me and him crashing from me going too slow or something like that. Woo. This exhaust sounds so good. I just wanted to make sure I was recording, so yeah.
Can't change the world unless we change ourselves. Die from the sicknesses if we don't seek the health. All eyes be my witness when I speak was felt. Full house on my hands, the cards I was dealt. 3 Ks, 2 A's in America. I'm just a black space born out the nebula. And everything I do will say today that's worthwhile. With for sure inspire action in your first child. I begin my first now. Sometimes I speak and I feel like it ain't my words. Like I'm just a vessel channeling inside this universe. I feel my ancestors arrested inside of me. It's like they want me to shoot my chance and change the society. But how do I go about it? Tell me where I start. My destiny rerouted when I chose to follow heart. You chose to follow suit, but tell me what it do for you. Except when you down. Now you trapped inside the cubicle they built for us. First step in the change is to take notice. Realize the real gains that they try to show us. 300 plus years of them cold shoulders. The 300 million of it still got no focus. Sorry America, but I will not be your soldier. Obama just wasn't enough, I need some more closure. And Donald Trump is not equipped to take this country over. Let's face facts, cause we know what's the real motives. In the land of the free is for the freeloaders. Leave us dead in the street to be the organ donors. They disorganized my people, made us all loners. Still got the last names of our slave owners. In the land of the free is for the freeloaders. Leave us dead in the street to be the organ donors. They disorganized my people, made us all loners. Yeah, we can't change the world unless we change ourselves. Die from the sicknesses if we don't seek the help. All eyes be my witness when I speak was felt. Full house on my hands, the cards I was dealt. 3 Ks, 2 A's in America. I'm just a black space born out the nebula. And everything I do is say today that's worthwhile. With for sure inspire action. Trickery in the system, put my niggas in prison. All our history hidden, ain't no liberty given. We all fit the description of what the documents written. We been lacking the vision and barely making a living. We too worried to fit in, while they been benefiting. Every time you submit it, we all guilty admitted. The law won't get you acquitted, but you still ever forgiveness. Put opiates and syringes, then inject his religion. Now many times I gotta tell you I'm a man on a mission. Many times I gotta tell you I don't need no permission. A human with supervision, ain't no living condition. I'm reaching out to my children, just hoping that they will listen. Start a new coalition against corrupt politicians. It's not enough out the prison, too many murder convictions. Nothing family evicted, nothing black man the victim. That's as real as it's getting. You should take recognition. And the land of the free is for the freeloaders. Leave us dead in the street to be the organ donors. They disorganized my people, made us all loners. Still got the last names of our slave owners. And the land of the free is for the freeloaders. Leave us dead in the street to be the organ donors. They disorganized my people, made us all loners. Yeah. We can't change the world unless we change ourselves. Die from the sicknesses if we don't seek the help. All eyes be my witness when I speak was felt. Full house on my hands, the cards I was dealt. 3 Ks, 2 A's in America. I'm just a black space born out the nebula. And everything I do is say today that's worthwhile. But for sure inspire action in your first child.
Well, that was fun. Time to go hit the track, I think. I'm like pitting it now as much as I can.